Got him. Holy sh. Oh my good lord, that was such a crazy take. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's a good red, man. All right, guys, I'm finally back out here. Man, it is freaking hot today, man. I tell you what, I got the freaking Crocs and shorts on. Like, good God, dude, it's in the 70s today. Oh, we got south winds, so it's, dude, I'm like practically sweating out here, man. But yeah, man, I'm just doing my favorite thing again, trying to get reds, you know, paddle tails, you know, other lures, see what we can do. I'm gonna say, if you end up liking the video, you know, all the YouTube stuff, like it, comment, roast, share it, subscribe, all that, you know, nonsense. All right, man, let's see what we can do. Let's get into it. Oh, dude, that was a bite. That was a bite. I think that was a flounder, though. I don't think that was a red. There we go. Got one. Oh, that's a red. Oh, finally, man. It feels good to catch a red again. Little guy, but... there you are. I knew there's one or two of you over there. Oh shoot, rod holders, not ready. Heck yeah. Little guy. Okay, little guy, let's him go. See you, buddy. Oh, wrong way. There you go. Cool. Oh, there might be another one still over there. Oh God, dude. Yeah, that was a good bite. Oh, that felt good to catch a red again, man. Haven't been on the water in a couple weeks, and that felt so good to get a red again. Oh God, it got a bit hard, man. Oh, dude, there's another one. Holy crap! Holy crap! Dude, there was another. He was following my bait, dude. He was following my lure. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. There's another one. Oh, he got off. Oh, no. Dude, what is going on here? Ugh. I guess these are just little guys, man. You miss a lot of little guys on the hook sets, but I mean, still, dude. I'll tell you what, I'm curious to try a topwater right here now. All right, let's try it real quick. Let's try a topwater really, really fast. Yeah. Oh, yep, there's one right there feeding. Look at that. No, it was way to the right of where I wanted. That ain't gonna do us any good if I get hooked right there. There we go. Yeah, that's what I want. Oh. Got him. Whoo, buddy, that was sick. That was awesome. Oh, baby, give me some lovin'. I think it's a better fish, man. Yeah, that's a better fish. Holy crap. That's a better red, dude. Stay on there. Yep. That's a better red. Holy crap. Okay. Okay. Dude, I gotta go towards this guy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God, dude. This is a pain in the right now. Oh no. No, no, no. Oh, he's still on. Oh, thank God. Oh my God, dude, I lost tension. Thought he got off. That's a better fish. Oh, that's a good red, dude. Yeah, baby. That's a slot for sure right there. Okay, okay. There we go. Oh, yeah. That's a good fish. Oh, God. Dude, the way he slammed that top water, holy crap, dude. Kind of winded, honestly, from trying to get my kayak unstuck. That wasn't the smartest thing to have my kayak already stuck when I was throwing top water. Holy crap. Mr. Slot. Yeah. Okay. Get in here, dude. Get in here. You're done. You're done, baby. Yeah, buddy. Oh, baby, give me some loving. Give me some loving. Oh, dude, too much loving. Too much loving. Too much loving. Not under the kayak. Come on. Oh, God. Dude, it doesn't matter how many times you do this. 1 time, 10 times, 100 times. It don't matter, man. Redfish are fun every single time. Yep. On the top water. Yep. Come on. Come on, buddy. You're done. Come on. Oh, dude, stud. Oh, dude. Stud red. Oh, dude, come here. Oh my God, you champion. Where have you been all my life? Oh my God. Oh, dude, nice slot. I don't understand how these guys are this strong, man. Every single time I'm amazed. Dude, chill out. God, man. Okay. Okay. Oh my God, dude, that is a stud red. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Oh my Lord, what a cool red. Look at how pretty that guy is. Dude, you are gorgeous. Oh, just barely got him. Just barely got him. Barely got him. Look at that hook. That's just barely in his mouth, dude. This makes me nervous. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yeah, baby. Oh my God, he's fat, dude. Holy crap. I was shaved, dude. I haven't been out here in like 2 weeks. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's a good red, man. His tail, look at his tail. His tail's a little beat up, but okay. That's okay. Holy crap, he is right at 27 inches. See that? Right at 27. Oh, dude. Dude, you are such a champion. Oh my God, dude, you're my idol. I hope I get as big and fat as you one day. All right, let's let me go, okay? Oh, okay, okay. All right, okay. Holy crap, look at that freaking red, dude. Come on, you got it? All right, dude. Wait, wrong way. You're going towards, you're going right towards an oyster bed, dude. Oh, dude, what are you doing? Dude, what are you doing? Oh boy. We got a redfish in distress, guys. Dude, you're going the wrong way. Dude, hello, sir. Oh boy, wait, he's got it. There he is. Go, dude, you got it. I got faith in you. Come on, dude, you got it. I got faith. Come on, dude, keep going. Okay, I think he's good. He's he's swimming in the right direction now. He's going with the tide. That was funny, man. These reds, they just get a little delirious after you catch them. I didn't hold them out of the water for that long. Took a quick pick and I measured him and then let them go. But sometimes those bigger guys just need a second, you know. All right, let's change batteries and try to get some more, man. Okay, so I caught that last one like over here somewhere. There's like this oyster bed and then I don't know, I guess it's a little deeper pocket. Let's try it again, why not? There's gotta be more over here, man. I would be shocked if there wasn't more over here. Yeah. Nope, didn't connect. Come on. Is he following it? Oh my god, dude, he's following it. Oh, so close. Holy crap, got him. Nice. That was sick. Yeah. Nice. Little guy, but God, that was dope. Alright. Red number 3. Cool. Little red. Alright, go by. Go that way. Whew, it took right off. Good. One thing I love about Topwater, man, is that you can launch these things freaking far. Like, watch this. Like, good God, that's a far cast. That's crazy. And that makes the fight that much more enjoyable because then it's even longer. Got him. Holy shit. Oh my good Lord, that was such a crazy take. Wow, what an explosion on Topwater. I don't know if that's a slot, dude, but good Lord, that guy was fired up. I think that's a slot. Yeah. That's a slot, yep. Holy crap. Oh, dude, what a great day, man. How can you beat this? Holy crap, this dude is pissed off. Come on. Oh, he's hanging upside down. Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh. Last second jolt. Oh. Holy crap, dude. Oh my God, dude. This guy's pissed off. Holy This guy's definitely an alpha male of the of the school. It's a little guy, but aggressive. That was such a crazy hit, man. All right, man. I'm gonna let this guy go too. All right, see you, buddy. Watch this, he's gonna take right off. Holy crap, so fast. Oh my God, that dude was fired up. guys, that's just about gonna do it. Not too many reds today, but you know, we got those 4 and that nice slot. Yeah, man, I was just so to get on the water today. It's been like 2 weeks since I've really been able to go out and target reds, you know, so that was cool, man. We'll get back out there soon. So until then, hope you liked it. Hit the weird looking banana face at the end of the video, and we'll see you next time.